warmer now. All you have to do is look up a little bit. You're getting warmer. You're getting warmer.
Right there.
No. Different body part. It is a part of the body that is part of your face, though. But it's not a whole face. It's just part. Look, right there. What is that? Next to the picture of the dog.
It's hard to tell.
It is hard to tell. I didn't know what it was until...
Oh, look at that.
That's awesome.
There.
What is that?
That's right.
There's sets of teeth.
Here you go. Those are some teeth for you.
Do you think that when your teeth fall out, you could put those teeth in your mouth instead?
No.
No, why not?
I don't know, because it's too big.
You think?
Oh,